For Coffee County! First tornado warning of the day.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Tullahoma, or 9 miles southwest of Manchester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manchester around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hillsborough, Summit Field, and Arnold Air Force Base. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Any stations which